All right, here's the woodpecker. I'm gonna upload this in 2 parts or 3 parts.
Right here.
Coming around. There he is. The infamous woodpecker. Guys, we should start doing bird watching. You guys ever watch the movie Goodyear?
No, I haven't watched that.
I don't know, we're wasting our stretching time, but this is totally worth it.
Sticking in the ground. Lily, back over here.
Oh yeah. Oh, there he went. All right, let's continue our stretch out.
I wish you got the woodpecker.
Wait a second. Why won't it let me switch out?
I don't know.
Layla's over there trying to get it. Uh-huh.